Hi everyone, I'm Wendy, and today I'm making a really quick and easy stuffed poblano pepper recipe. It uses just 5 basic components, and you can change it up to use what you have on hand. Let me show you how. First, I'm using poblano peppers, but you can use regular bell peppers or any other kind of pepper you like. Poblano peppers are considered to be pretty mild, though they can vary. If you want to be on the safe side, you can wear gloves to handle them, and make sure you wash your hands really well after chopping, because every once in a while you can get one that's a bit spicier. I just cut them in half and then use a paring knife to remove the ribs and the seeds, and I'll lay those out on a parchment-lined baking sheet and then prepare the filling. I'm using this pre-cooked quinoa, although I was sad to learn recently that Thrive Markets stopped carrying this. But you can make your own or use any kind of pre-cooked quinoa that you have. For this recipe, you'll just need about 2 cups of cooked quinoa. Next, I'm adding a can of lentils, or about 1½ cups of cooked lentils. And then pick your favorite kind of salsa and add as much as you like. I usually add a couple spoonfuls at a time until everything looks well coated. In total, I used about 1/3 to 1/2 of my 16-ounce jar. You'll mix this well and then spoon it into the peppers. Use as many peppers as you need to use up all the filling. Of course, peppers come in different sizes, so you may need to adjust, but I'm using 4 peppers for this amount of filling. If you end up with extra filling left over, no problem. You can just eat the filling on its own along with some lettuce, tomatoes, onions, and maybe a little guacamole. And don't worry about being really careful and neat while you're filling your peppers. If you drop a little bit on the tray, those pieces get nice and crunchy and delicious. Last but not least, I'm adding some cheesy sauce. This is my recipe, which I've shared on the channel many times, but use your favorite vegan cheese sauce, or if you use processed vegan cheese, feel free to add a little bit of that on top. As with the salsa, you can use as much as you like, but for my batch, I'm using about 1 cup of my cheesy sauce. Then the prepared peppers will go into a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. Again, you can adjust this to your own preference. I like to cook until the peppers are soft enough to cut with a fork, but cook it until the peppers are done to your desired texture. After that, they're ready to serve. You can enjoy them as a snack on their own, or make a complete meal by serving it with some potatoes, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, avocado or guacamole, some more salsa, and maybe some black olives. Make it your own and serve it however you like. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.